Hey skaters, I'm Dirty Deborah Harry with the Dirty School of Skate and Sugar Roller Skates. I'm here at the Fountain Valley Skating Center to talk to you about Moonshot.com. Yes, Moonshot. That's M00NSHOT.com. Moonshot.com. What did they do for me? Well, they sent me a plethora of graphic tees of now defunct roller rinks from all over America. These things are amazing. You guys, let's celebrate the roller skating storied past by getting yourself a graphic tee from Moonshot. Again, it's MOONSHOT.com. So you can celebrate rinks just like this one. Let's go Skateland in Cleveland, Ohio. The Hub in Chicago, Illinois. Rollerdrome, Phoenix, Arizona. Skate Ranch, Santa Ana, California. Let's hear it for Pops, Open Air in Three Rivers, Michigan. Who remembers Skateland in Buffalo, New York? Moonlight Garden, Skating Palace in Springfield, Illinois. And finally, skaters, let's hear it for Belpre, Ohio, Skateland, where the good skaters meet. Skaters, so if you want to grab one of these t-shirts, just go to Moonshot. Again, that's MOONSHOT.com, where they have a literal cornucopia of logos from defunct roller rinks from all around America. You can get one possibly from your own town, city, state, and whatnot. Okay, skaters, let me know in the comment section what your favorite is. All right, skaters, I'll see you in my next video where we'll go over something really super important skating-wise. But until then, go shop.